Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can fix your slow motion, like your smooth slow motion on CapCut PC. So I did hear a lot that smooth slow motion wasn't working for them, and it wasn't working for me either. And to fix it, I just basically updated my app again. There's a new update where it fixes that bug. So just make sure you go to menu, go to more, go to your version, check for updates, and update your app. And that is pretty much it. It's going to just update your app, and as you can see now, you can use the smooth slow motion feature here. So select your video, go to speed, and then add slow motion here, and then now you can select optical flow, and it's going to process. And yes, I know it didn't work before. It also didn't work for me, but just update your app and it's going to work again. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!